Hello dear icons, let's learn about punctuation today. You must have watched videos on punctuation. It has already been introduced, right? Let us begin with an example. The bird is on the tree. Now notice the beginning and the end of the sentence. The first letter the begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. The first letter the begins with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. So, a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Let me write one more example. My name is Anshu. Now, did you notice that the first letter here begins with a capital letter because it is the first word in the sentence and it ends with a full stop. Now, did you notice this A? A is written in capital because it is the name of a particular person. Anshu. Anshu is the name of a particular person and it is a proper noun. So wherever proper noun appears, we use capital letter. Here is another example. Lata and I are friends. Lata and I are friends. Did you notice this I? I is written here as capital because it is a pronoun. A pronoun I is always written in capital letter wherever it appears. Let me write one more example. My favorite fruits are mango, apple and banana. So, how many fruits are there in this sentence? There are 3 fruits in this sentence. Mango, apple and banana. When there are more than 3 things in a sentence, we use comma to separate the things. Here is another example. My dog likes to run, swim and play. So what dog likes to do? Dog likes to run, swim and play. So there are more than 2 things that dog likes to do. So we use comma to separate more than 2 things in a sentence. Let me take one more example. How old are you? Did you notice the symbol used at the end of the sentence? It is known as a question mark. It is known as a question mark. A sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark. So what is our question? How old are you? So it ends with a question mark. Let me write one more example. Will you play with me? Question mark. So again a sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark. So today we learnt about punctuation marks. We learnt about the use of punctuation marks while writing, and they are full stop, comma, question mark, and use of I, a pronoun, wherever it appears in the sentence. Remember, the first word in the sentence begins with a capital letter. So these are known as punctuation marks. That's all for today. Thank you.